I'm often asked whether or not it's in a criminal defendant's best interest to cooperate right when they're arrested, because the police always tell you, now, if you cooperate now, I'm going to give you a good break. Well, the reality is the police don't have the authority to offer you any type of deal. That's a prosecutorial decision. And if it's a federal case, that would have to come from the United States Attorney's Office. If it's a state case, it would have to come from the solicitor or the Attorney General's office. It is my opinion that it's usually not in a defendant's best interest to cooperate right off the bat. What you should do is be very polite to the officer, tell him you want to exercise your right to remain silent, you want to get a lawyer, but get a lawyer immediately, and I mean immediately, and sit down with that lawyer, tell them the truth, and I can't stress how important telling the truth is. Good, bad, or ugly, the lawyer needs to know everything you've done, and then you can analyze, and he can help you analyze whether cooperation is a good idea. Now, of course, if it's a drug case and they're going to want you to set up somebody that you've been involved in, obviously you want to keep the fact that you were arrested as quiet as possible, keep your cards close. But if you cooperate right off the bat, usually you don't get the credit that you would get if you had gotten an agreement from the government. So my view is get a lawyer first, get an experienced lawyer who knows how to deal with the officers, and try to get an agreement in writing before you cooperate.